I'm Olivia. I'm the scientist for the Biosphere expedition Awesome Orcas and Their Relatives, and I'm just going to talk a bit about what we're going to do on this project. So the map here shows our survey area, the west coast of Scotland, and on our surveys we'll be surveying from as far north as Cape Wrath, as far west as St Kilda, and as far south as the Well of Kintyre and Northern Ireland. So throughout the season we try to cover this area as evenly as possible, which takes some doing. And the west coast of Scotland is a unique place to study these animals. It's as hilly below the water as it is above the water. There's lots of troughs and gullies, and this really enhances species diversity. So from small plankton up to the big marine mammals. That's why this area is so important for these species. We've had 24 species of cetaceans recorded in these waters, anything from the blue whale and a beluga to our 7 target species for research, which is the harbour porpoise, white-beaked dolphin, the bottlenose dolphin, common dolphin, killer whale, minke whale, and Risso's dolphin. The killer whale is one of our iconic species on the west coast of Scotland. They're a very unique population. We've only got 9 individuals in this group. There used to be 10, but now we're down to 9, and they're an evolutionary significant unit. They are genetically and morphologically different to any of the other orca populations around the northeast Atlantic. So with our surveys and our long-term monitoring program, we're trying to find out as much as we can about this population and the other population of species in the west coast of Scotland, so we can conserve them and we can ensure their survival in these waters for generations to come.
So, marine mammal research requires a wealth of resources. These animals are long-lived, they're highly mobile, wide-ranging, and they spend very little time at the surface of the water. So, training volunteers to collect data on marine mammal abundance and distribution is a really effective way of increasing our knowledge and understanding of them. Volunteers that come on board our surveys collect data that's used by government bodies to inform conservation strategies and policies. No skills are necessary. You can come on board and you'll be fully trained in species identification, visual survey methods, acoustic survey methods, and you'll be trained in bird surveys and boat surveys. You'll form part of a team and you'll assist with the day-to-day running of the vessel and work together to perform the surveys. The west coast of Scotland is one of the best places in Europe to see marine mammals. We've got the highest densities of harbour porpoise, we've got a resident population of bottlenose dolphin that you can see all year round, and we've got a population of 9 killer whales. So coming on board and helping us with our long-term monitoring programme is really important to safeguard the survival of these species in these waters for generations to come. It's really only with long-term monitoring that you can gain the perspective essential to understand marine mammals and the factors that threaten their survival over time. And we wouldn't be able to carry out our long-term monitoring programme without the help of volunteers. So come on board and help us protect these species